KSL Cars is here at Bentley Salt Lake City for a rare look at a 1934 Petersen Blower Boat Tail Bentley. This beautiful vehicle was built for Le Mans and is one of two in the world. Though it never saw a podium finish, this iconic racing variant is still coveted by collectors. It recently sold for millions of dollars. This particular vehicle comes to us on loan and is a working model, and the owner actually drives this vehicle on the freeway sometimes once a week and is capable of speeds, at this point we know, maybe 65, 70 miles an hour, but at the time this vehicle was capable of speeds well in excess of 125 miles an hour. So a very important part of automotive history. So for me, certainly the most iconic feature in this vehicle is the boat tail. This is what makes it one of two in existence per our understanding. Originally there were about 55 vehicles made, but this beautifully restored vehicle by Peterson exhibits that incredible boat tail engineering. The thought was aerodynamic efficiency, and I think just adds to the beauty of this vehicle. Another feature that must be absolutely pointed out in the Bentley Blower is the blower itself. Some people aren't even aware that the blower, which is a supercharger, was mounted outside of the engine, is shaft driven, not belt driven, and certainly adds to the notoriety and the beauty of this vehicle. It's fascinating for me as I look at a vehicle like this to think that the driver, that race car driver, was reaching outside of the cockpit to control things like braking and shifting. Amazing to me. The 1934 Petersen Boat Tail Bentley Blower is iconic to say the least. A special thank you to Glenn Beck for sharing his vehicle with the Utah car community, and Bentley Salt Lake City for allowing us to give you a closer look. If you enjoyed what you saw, please like this video, subscribe to KSL Cars, and hit the bell for more supercharged content.